Good morning, guys. Alright, so this is day 2 in Japan, and yeah, I look really rocked up because yesterday was really tough. We walked almost 12 hours and I got my monthly magical week yesterday, which was just cherry on top of my Sunday. So yeah, I'm feeling a little rocked up and I am really tired, but we do only have one more full day today and half a day tomorrow, so we're just gonna try to really just go. This is not breakfast, this is just, you know what it is. Whenever you get those magical days, you just want to eat chocolatey stuff. So starting my day off with this because I have a headache and it's really good. It's like curing my headache. We're getting ready together in Tokyo, so let's get started. First step, I'm gonna go in with my Georgio Armani To Go Essence and Foundation Cushion. Mine's in number 2. I'm gonna use my cushion. It looks like this. I really like it so far. Just gonna, and it's a great idea to bring cushion foundation with you when you're traveling, because you don't want to travel with, you know, liquid foundation and then it like spilling all over your bag and things like that. But I did buy a foundation at duty free, so it's the same, but I didn't open it, so there's like a less worry about it spilling over my bags. So today we're gonna try to go to Akihabara in the morning just to check out like what's there, and then we're gonna move to Odaiba. So they're both pretty close to where we're staying. We're staying right next to Tokyo Tower. So yeah, today's gonna be just dedicated to those two places. Alright. So when the cushion is done, I'm not gonna stop there. I'm gonna go to my VT cushion. I just feel like my skin is extra dry in Japan. I'm just gonna swirl it around. Wow, it's a very, very creamy texture. Wow. Put this PT collagen pack on top of the foundation I put on. It doesn't give you a lot of coverage, but I definitely like the finish it gives. It's very glossy, shiny. And then we're gonna go in with Mercier powder. I have been getting a lot of greasy bangs because I walk around it all day long, and pretty much I sweat a lot here, so I'm just gonna put in the powder a lot. Oh yes. Just go around the rest of my face with what's left over on the brush. So I'm going to go in and contour with my Naked Skin Shapeshifter palette. I'm not gonna use the cream side, I'm just gonna use the powder side. Blend it out with another brush, my expert face brush from Real Techniques. Oh, it's such a good brush, I love it. Like, this is so far away. I'm going to highlight with the XL highlighter that I got yesterday. Gonna grab my fan brush. Oh my gosh, don't you guys, this is so pretty. This is the one in SN04. Look at the print. Oh my gosh, it's really, really pretty. I don't have like a white color highlighter, plus I just love how they highlight here. They just they look like they have really glossy, like moisturized skin. So I wanted to give their highlighter a try. So I bought it yesterday from the Mega Tonquiote, and oh my gosh, Xoxo is really famous. Like most of their stuff was almost gone. Oh my god. Oh wow, that's really pretty. Right, now I'm gonna draw in my eyebrows. Okay. I'm using Benefit's Goof Proof Brow Pencil in number 4. It's a little bit darker to my taste, but it'll work. Yeah. I'm just gonna brush it to the front section and fill in the front of my brows like this. This is also the darkest brown color. It's called deep brown. So I like to go from back to the front and then brush it from front to back. I just feel like that way I can get all of the hair coated. I'm using Jill Stuart blush in number 2 Fresh Apricot, and I showed you guys this in my other video of what I got. It's a really pretty color. It comes with the brush as well, but I'm gonna use my blush brush just so that I can kind of mix the colors and see the color play off. Since there's like such clean line between 4, I'm trying to mix it by putting it on the back of my hands first, right? Wow, it's a really cute color. I don't know if you guys can see that very well. CLIO's Pro Layering Eye Palette in Matte Metal, and I showed it to you guys the other day as well when I first bought it. It has these pretty colors. I'm gonna go in with some matte colors first. I'm gonna set my eyes with the lightest brown color. Just set my eyelids with this. I'm gonna go in with the second color here. Okay, and then I'm gonna go slightly over my crease line. Then I'm gonna go in with the reddish color here in the corners of my eyes. And I'm gonna also blend that out quick. Now I just need to line my eyes. I'm just gonna tightline using this Nature Republic skinny eyeliner. Heroine makes smooth liquid eyeliner in brown. I also bought this yesterday at Tonquiote. It was only 1,000 yen, which is about 10,000 won right now in Korea. But this is one of my favorites. In Korea, it would be about 18,000 won. 18,000 won, and on sale, if it goes on sale though, it'll be like 12,000. So if you're in Korea and you rent out, buy this for 12,000 when it's on sale. I'm gonna eat another roll. My headache is coming back. Okay. Now we're going to do our lashes and our lips and we'll be done. I'm not gonna put on fake lashes. I did that yesterday, but it was really heavy towards the end of the day because I was having a rough day. I was having a long day, so I just want my natural lashes today. And I'm using L'Oreal's False Lash Butterfly Waterproof Mascara. It looks really cool. The brush looks like that. And it's like a comb, so it's really easy to apply. And I'm gonna go over that with my Majorka Lash Expander Liquid Extension. I'm just gonna go over where I put the butterfly mascara, just for the elongation effect. Okay, and while we wait for that to dry, I'm gonna draw it in my lips. I don't know if I should go with Giorgio Armani today. Okay, Giorgio Armani Lip Magnet in 504 is this color. And Pony Effect in Magnificent is a little darker. Like this color. Maybe I'll go with Giorgio Armani today. Alright, now I'm going to do my upper lashes with the same mascara. I'm going to go over that again with the Lash Extension mascara. I think that's it. I'm good. And my bangs. Yeah, this is gonna be the look I'm wearing today to Akihabara and Odaiba. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Give your girl a thumbs up if you liked the video. Don't forget to click like and subscribe. Also drop down some comments in the comment box below, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!